You should know he bro. He a fucking white boy.
Like this, right? Listen. I've been trying a long time to find a way to monetize this whole thing that they be talking about with the smart homes, the smart cars, all that. They're trying to get the self-driving vehicles. They're trying to get all that going on. Let me tell you something. Neuralink, all that. They got them glasses. Why are them glasses being made in Israel? Them shits that can read for blind people. You know what I'm talking about? Listen. I have a buddy of mine, my brother Orlando. His brother, who I met during my state bid, had to go to the feds after that, right? The week before this dude, who I believe goes by Man, his name's Manuel, is about an EOS from the feds. Boom, all of a sudden some charges come out of Vermont. Clink, clink. He gotta go fight this case up in Vermont now. The only reason I remember that it was this dude is because I remember we was on the rec yard, me and my brother O, and we ran down to the building that he was with, and he was talking about how he was selling to some folks in Vermont, getting crazy money and shit. So keep in mind, he was driving a rental car from here to Vermont. Multiple occasions. This dude, I guess, had a running tab with him. I'm gonna show the article in here of this shit because it's a little bit crazy to me because, like, yo, if the feds or whatever bigger thing really wanted this dude gone, right? He knew too much, let's say. Whatever the fuck the case is. There were two houses on this one lot. Probably not within earshot of each other. For whatever reason, they killed the bitch in this one house who had nothing to do with this guy, whoever the fuck, whether it was him or not. I don't think it was this dude. I think this dude is too... I think he might have done something to the other dude, but I don't see him I think he's going to leave before he killed this bitch, all her dogs, and this dude, and torch both houses. I don't think he's doing all that. I'm sorry. I just don't see this guy, like, having all that in him. He's going... If anything, he might start trying to take out the one dude, get scared off, and leave. Like, bro, like, you're way out of your comfort area. You see what I'm saying? But the GPS that he went there the day it happened. The GPS from the rental car. So what I'm thinking is, yo, what if he didn't do any of that shit? He went up there to get some crazy money, giving that dude whatever the fuck, and left. And they said, boom, now we have a fall guy. Like, that's the problem with all this smart shit, man. That really is the problem with it. It creates a loophole to get your ass in some trouble for some shit you really didn't do. Alright, man, here. I'm gonna roll this shit. I'm up out of here. Alright, now look. You see how this happened 3 years ago. On October 30th, 2018. This dude apparently, according to the GPS of the car, and now all of a sudden a phone that was left there that wasn't found originally. Yeah. You know, Gomez, 32, of Hartford, accused of committing double homicide more than 3 years ago in Washington County, town of Vermont. It really just makes it sound like they was looking for a fall guy and just happened to find one. You know what I'm saying? It's like this dude was only found because he's in a federal database. They picked him up on a gun charge in New York. And he's currently in the federal correction system. You see how he's currently in the feds. They picked this motherfucker up in the feds for this shit. That's crazy. Like, I don't know. I don't think I believe this shit. I really don't. You really gonna say both them was killed by a single gunshot wound and it was because, like, why would he take her out? That's what I don't get. Like, it just don't make sense, man. It just don't make sense. It's just weird. Like, this is, I think, the newer article, too. This is weird. This is just weird. Look at this shit. He said, denied, not like, yo, I would have, too. I said, what the fuck you mean? No, I had nothing to do with that. Crazy. Like, notice it says, it basically, like, it keeps doing some extra shit. Like, it keeps putting it, like, the way this shit read is crazy. The way it reads is crazy. It's a investigation, Carol Fredette, David Thompson, and Three Dogs fatally shot. It tries to say, like, all three of them. Why don't it show his house? I want to see his house. And they died on Devil's Night, bro. They died on Devil's Night 2018 when this kid was probably locked up in a fucking, in some type of incarceration. Man, I don't want to hear that. I really don't want to hear that. That shit crazy. That shit really crazy. I'm pretty sure I talked to this dude at a wreck one time. I'm almost positive. I'm like more than 99.9% positive it was him. He goes, Ramon, all you need is an ID to buy a rifle up there. Jesus Christ. I wouldn't have even said that. That's crazy. Where's the part about the car? Basically, they originally tied it to the car. I think they realized, like, oh, shit, we can't just get them based off that. Because once I started saying, like, yo, this shit crazy. I never made a video about this. This is just some shit commented to motherfuckers about other shit. Like, yo, this smart shit is crazy. They're really trying to make this shit, you know what I'm saying, some extra shit. I don't know how I feel about it, man. Shit crazy. I would tell June and anybody else, man, don't be riding around in nothing newer than 2008, bro. Just don't. It's not smart. If you living like that, the newest thing you should be driving is an '08.